Hi guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, as you can see, we've got the cabinets all secured for the big day tomorrow. But funny story, I got up, I went and checked Ruby, no more babies. I went back in the house a couple hours later. Chris said, "Did you see the new baby?" And I'm like, "What?" So I'm just going out to see if I can see it now. I totally missed it. I looked underneath her, but I am a little bit sheepish about getting too close to those eggs. I do not want one exploded on me today. I have to go into town, so anyway, let's go see the new baby. Oh no, Ruby did a poop in the nesting box, so we gotta get this mess cleaned up. Look at that baby. I don't know if that's the new one. That must be the new one. That's the other one. So this one is darker. There's a peck in another one of the eggs. No, I think we should be consistent. And
well, she's going to be moved soon.
So Chris has dipped the little ones in beak in water. Oh, he's fallen in the dish. So we've got his beak dipped. That's good. This little guy keeps standing in the food dish, of course. Oh, that's so cute. What a good mommy. You're going to have another one today. So I've got to go into town. We'll leave Mama alone, and maybe when I get back there'll be number 3. Now baby number 3 is out of the shell. Where is it? Where you? Oh, look. It's another different color. Oh, dropping him in the food. Oh, look. So this one's really light. We're wondering if that was WP's egg before she died. I just don't remember what day. There's number 2 little fluffy pants. Oh, look at this guy. Looks like a little drunken soldier. Look how perky.
Where's the other egg?
Yeah, the other egg's still under there. I'll leave it under there. Hopefully it won't explode on me. So there's number 3. Oh, what a good mommy. What a good mommy. More food, too. I don't know if she's eating it all or the babies are eating it all. Are you eating all the baby food? Are you eating all the baby food, Mama? Hey, you're such a good mommy. Yes, you are the best, Mama. Look at this guy's already 2 days old. But look how perky the other little fella is. Look at him.
I'd have to dip that one
Yeah,
in.
maybe I'll dip this other. Oh, he's in the way now. Here, I'll put it over here. Get this little guy's beak dipped. There you go. There's your water. Yeah. Already puts his head back to have his drink. There. Oh. But yeah, they tip their little beaks right up in the air. Get the water down. It's such a hot day. Yes. Look at you. Face. Hello, sweetie. Which one are you? Hey? So cute. I see the other 2 up at the front there with her. Do you want little baby number 3 up there? There you go. Oh my goodness. There you go, Mama. There. See, she's making a different noise. That's her telling them to eat. Yes, you're such a good mommy. Decision to move Ruby out here, and I had all this straw in the corner for her, and she's moved it all over to here. You silly chicken! Now, hopefully, I don't know whether she's covered her babies up or what. What are you doing, you silly chicken? Where's your babies? Hey, where are they? You stay in there with your babies. She seems to want out, so maybe I'll let her out. Babies are safe in there, I think. Where the heck are they? They're all there. Maybe she just wants to stretch her legs, have her daily poo-poo. And she's filled her water with straw and everything, crazy chicken. Here, oh, she's got a poopy bum. I think she must have pooped in the nesting box again, but oh my goodness. She's definitely ready to get in here. Have some air and room for the babies to walk around. Do you want to go back in? She's probably trying to figure out where her babies are now. She's doing the same. Oh, you guys, go away. Come on. You too, Desi. Which one are you? I guess she wants it easier for them. I don't know. I'm not sure what she's trying to do. Now she's stretching it all over, back over to the other side. But they're nice and active now. They're getting around, so they'll be fine. So cute.